Came here actually very optimistic about the whole thing, but had no idea the impact it was going to have on us. For me, I'm just not an outgoing person. I'm very kind of subdued, and this just brought out all kinds of things in me that I didn't even know I had in me. It was truly a phenomenal weekend. I can't say enough what it will do for you, not only in learning about real estate and real estate investing, but also learning things about yourself. Armando knows how to make you take a long, hard look at yourself so you can change your way of thinking.
Definitely.
So you can be successful in this investing business. I just can't thank him enough for taking the time, giving back to us so we can spread the wealth and pay it forward.
Definitely. And one thing I want to say about this seminar, I mean, you can hear my voice. It's so much fun. I mean, like, work is you're gonna push yourself to the limit, but you're gonna have so much fun pushing yourself till you're gonna sound like me, but you're gonna be ready to work. And I mean, you're gonna be ready to work, because millionaires, they act now. And I'm telling you, you're gonna act now. This is one of the best seminars. We've been to plenty. I mean, we've been to real estate investing seminars back in the 90s, and we got burnt back then. But this here, Armando, he got us on the right track. And I mean, I'm telling you, this is gonna be the best experience you will ever have when it comes to real estate investing and also life experience.
Thank you again, Armando. We love you.
We love you, Armando.